Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cleaning your sheet and selecting the range, including headers. This lets Excel interpret labels correctly. Once done, convert the range to a table with Ctrl+T to maintain structure as you edit. Next, pick an initial chart that matches your question. Use column for categorical comparisons, line for trends, scatter for correlations. Make sure to include both X and Y columns when relevant. This first setup prevents common issues and speeds the rest of the build. Now refine the chart series and axes for clarity and accuracy. Open select data to add or remove series, reorder lines, or swap rows and columns so X values are correct. Then format axes, set explicit min/max, choose linear or logarithmic scale where appropriate, and add axis titles so viewers understand units. If numbers differ vastly, add a secondary axis or use percentage normalization. Also attach data labels, or error bars, to communicate magnitude and uncertainty effectively. Finish by styling and reviewing the visualization for communication and accessibility. Choose consistent colors and markers, reduce clutter by adjusting grid lines, and use theme colors to maintain contrast. Once satisfied, inspect labels, legends, and annotations for accuracy, then export at the needed resolution as PDF or PNG. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by checking for hidden rows, non-numeric blanks, or mismatched ranges that break series. Make sure table references update when you add data. Finally, validate numbers against the source to ensure correctness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.